Eating well is important for a healthy and happy life. It's not just about filling your stomach, but nourishing your body and mind. It's like giving your body the right fuel to run smoothly. Just as a car needs high-quality fuel to perform at its best, our bodies need nutritious food to function optimally. When you eat healthy, you feel better, have more energy, and can do the things you love. Whether it's running in the park, biking with friends, or simply enjoying your day-to-day activities, good nutrition makes a difference. Think of your body as a car. Just as a car needs regular maintenance and the right fuel, our bodies need proper care and nutrition. A car needs good fuel to run well. Without it, the engine might sputter or break down. Our bodies are the same. We need the right nutrients to keep our systems running smoothly and efficiently. We need healthy food to have energy, be strong, and stay healthy. Eating a variety of nutritious foods helps us build muscle, maintain a healthy weight, and support our overall well-being. This isn't about complicated diets, it's about making simple, smart choices every day. It's about simple choices and enjoying delicious food that makes you feel amazing. Sharing these meals with loved ones can also enhance your overall happiness and well-being. Let's explore the best foods and easy tips to make healthy eating a part of your daily routine. Together we can create a lifestyle that fuels a vibrant, energetic, and fulfilling life. A healthy diet is like a balanced plate, where each section plays a crucial role in maintaining your overall well-being. Half of your plate should be filled with colorful vegetables and fruits. These vibrant foods are not just visually appealing but also packed with essential nutrients. They are full of vitamins and minerals that keep you healthy and strong. Incorporating a variety of these can help boost your immune system and improve your overall health. The other half of your plate is for carbohydrates and protein. Carbohydrates give you energy, which is vital for daily activities and maintaining an active lifestyle. Choose whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat bread. These grains are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Protein helps your body grow and repair itself. It is essential for muscle development and recovery, especially after physical activities. Good protein sources are fish, which is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids that are beneficial for heart health. Beans, lentils, tofu, which are excellent plant-based protein options, nuts, and lean meats. These provide a variety of nutrients and can be included in different meals throughout the day. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining bodily functions and overall health. Water keeps you hydrated and helps your body function properly. It aids in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even helps regulate body temperature. It's best to limit sugary drinks like soda and juice. These beverages can add unnecessary calories and sugar to your diet, which can lead to health issues over time. Let's talk about specific foods that are like superheroes for your health. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are full of antioxidants that protect your cells. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins and minerals. They are good for your bones, eyes, and heart. Salmon and other fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health. Don't forget about nuts and seeds like almonds and sunflower seeds. They are full of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Adding these foods to your daily diet can make a big difference in how you feel. Section 4. Simple swaps, big impact, making healthy choices. Stick. Making healthy choices doesn't have to be hard. Start by making small changes every day. Instead of sugary cereal for breakfast, try oatmeal with fruit and nuts. If you're craving something sweet, grab a piece of fruit instead of a cookie. When you're cooking at home, try grilling, baking, or steaming your food instead of frying. These small changes can make a big difference in your health over time. Remember, consistency is key. Section 5. Quick and delicious. Recipes for a healthier you. In this section, we will explore some simple yet incredibly nutritious recipes that you can easily prepare at home. These recipes are designed to be quick, delicious, and perfect for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle without spending hours in the kitchen. Here are a couple of easy and healthy recipes that you can try at home, perfect for busy mornings or quick dinners. 1. Overnight oats. In a jar, mix together half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of milk or yogurt, a quarter cup of berries, and a sprinkle of nuts and seeds. This combination not only tastes great but also provides a balanced mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to keep you energized throughout the day. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy cold in the morning. It's a perfect grab-and-go breakfast that requires no cooking and minimal effort. 2. Simple salad. Toss together a variety of leafy greens, chopped vegetables like carrots and cucumbers, and a source of protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas. This salad is not only refreshing but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein to keep you full and satisfied. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice for a simple and delicious dressing. You can also add a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavors. These recipes are quick, easy, and packed with nutrition. They are perfect for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing taste or spending too much time in the kitchen. You can customize them to your liking and enjoy a healthy and delicious meal in minutes. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients and make these recipes your own. Eating healthy has never been this easy and enjoyable. Section 6. Embrace the goodness, a lifetime of well-being. Eating a healthy diet is a gift you give yourself. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods so you can live a longer, healthier, and happier life. Remember, small changes add up over time. Don't be afraid to experiment with new foods, try these simple recipes and make healthy choices a part of your daily routine. Cheers to a healthier and happier you.